Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish, and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I'm going to be using this week's color palette from Friday Night Flip Cup. I got all my paints together, so let's get down to it. This week, we have this color palette. So I'm going to be using it in a Dutch pour. I'm not real pleased with how this one turned out. I just don't know which way is up, and it's too much for me. So I'm going to paint over that, and we're going to do a Dutch pour. Okay. All right, now that we have our white base put down, we're going to lay out our colors, and I thought I had them in order here. So I hope everybody is having a great day. I custom mixed all these colors, so your guess is as good as mine as what's in them. Some of them were leftover paints from testing Tuesday, and some of them are just kind of a hodgepodge of different colors. Like this yellow is gold, and cadmium yellow, medium hue, and just all kinds of colors and iridescent mediums and just all kinds of kind of fun stuff. So this one has my favorite green, which is the metallic leaf green from Artist Loft. Yes, I'll admit it. It's my favorite green. All right, let's move these out of the way, and let's break out the hair dryer. Wait, I forgot to torch. Let's torch it real quick. There we go. Now, okay, we're done with the big hair dryer. Let's bring out the little one. And I want to take the little hose guy off because I want to do some fun stuff with this right here. Alright. I'm not in love with this and I'm not in love with that. So, this is what we do when we don't love something. We make it better. So, I am going to take this corner off like that. Turn this around. I'm going to take this corner off like that. Okay, I'm going to lay in some white here. I'm going to take this little guy and we're going to blow this out. Alright, let's torch this out. Okay, I'm going to bring in my fancy stick here. If you don't know what Friday Night Flip Cup is, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned on Friday nights, 7 Central, and my pal Brooke and I go and do a Flip Cup. We pick out a palette every week and we announce it on our Facebook group as well as our community page. So if you want to be challenged, stay tuned. I don't like this right here, but you know what? I'm going to leave it. We're going to see what cells happen. And if you want to see the dried results to this, stay tuned for the community tab post, and I will post dried pictures of this painting. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.